My name is Jordan Duick. I'm from Windeck Limited. My position at the company is I'm a junior partner. We're at the newest, tallest, biggest, baddest building in Winnipeg, a location called 300 Main Street. Windeck did approximately 140 to 150 balconies on this project. Keep in mind, this is a very linear project, downtown Winnipeg, so it's tougher to do 140 balconies on a skyrise than it is to do 150 across an acre. My father started this company about 40 years ago, and it's been pretty cool to see it grow and soar and succeed off my father's dream. We're looking onward and outward to continually grow and make the company bigger and better.